Hello everyone, I am Ashvin Beetul. I will present you on applications of immersive experiences and storytelling, and here in the context for how can immersive storytelling be utilized in fields such as education, training, marketing, healthcare, or social impact initiatives. So here are the contents. Firstly, we'll have an introduction, and then we will see on immersive storytelling in education, in training, in marketing, healthcare, social impact, journalism, art and entertainment, ethical considerations, future prospects, conclusions, and references. So, as an introduction, we will have an overview of the immersive storytelling and then how immersive storytelling is being utilized as such technologies, for example, as virtual reality, that is VR, augmented reality AR, and mixed reality MR, which is just revolutionizing how we interact with narratives. So this presentation will explore the application and importance of immersive storytelling across various fields, including education, training, marketing, healthcare, and social impact initiatives. So, the first one, let's see about immersive storytelling in education. So, in education, immersive storytelling transforms learning by creating engaging, interactive experiences that promote deeper understanding. Techniques like virtual field trips allow students to explore places they could never visit physically because maybe it can be dangerous and all or it's too far. So while historical reenactments in VR provide an emotional connection to the past. Then we have immersive storytelling in training. In training, it creates simulations that allow users to practice skills in a safe and controlled environment. Whether it is a kind of pilot training in a flight simulator or a doctor, a surgeon refining their skills through VR surgery simulations, immersive technologies then can provide realistic and hands-on experiences. Concerning then immersive storytelling in marketing, immersive storytelling offers a new dimension of consumer engagement and it allows uh, the products or services, that is, the brands, to create memorable, interactive experiences. For example, uh, there can be some kind of immersive product um, demonstrations, but also there can be like launches. We have seen some government and also some industries. They when they are launching their products, they can do it then virtually. And then another example is the IKEA. That is tools like the IKEA Place app. It let the consumers visualize first the products in their own spaces, that is, whether the kitchen or living room, before purchasing, and then this virtual product can can uh, you can see how it can take place, whether design wise or even color wise, in their own settings. That can then provide a kind of reach and engagement. Then we have also immersive storytelling in healthcare, and in healthcare, these technologies, AR and VR, can are being used, in fact, to manage some kind of pain and treat some kind of mental health conditions and train also the healthcare professionals. So VR exposure therapy, for instance, like uh, such different exposures, uh, it can help patients confront and overcome their fears in a controlled and safe environment. Sometimes some people they have some kind of specific fears. So when we expose them physically, they tend of course to have this kind of fears. But when we use this kind of VR, there can be a transition and that how they can indeed overcome these fears. Concerning then for um, social impact. Immersive storytelling then is of course a powerful tool for driving social change by creating empathy when empathy is very important and also uh, for raising awareness. VR documentaries like the Rohingya displacement and for such kind of virtual reality documentaries, it can place then the viewers in the shoes of a journalist on the spot, thus fostering a deeper understanding of the global issues. And here, this kind of picture, this is the example. Then, what about some kind of applications in journalism, just as we have just seen also, is that uh, it can redefine, in fact, um, journalism because immersive journalism is in fact transforming how news is reported and consumed, and by providing first person perspective, VR and AR can allow the viewers to experience stories in a much more personal and impactful way. So here's the example is that about the atrocities of war, and of course it would be too dangerous for the team as journalists. So one two persons went there and they could report as an immersive video of the atrocities and also of the outcome of war, as here we can see on this picture. Then uh, what about the applications in art and entertainment? So immersive storytelling is in fact redefining art and entertainment when interactive art exhibitions use VR and AR to create a dynamic and let's say participatory experiences, while the gaming industry it continues to push the boundaries of virtual worlds, as here you can see in the picture. So um, this also we have also some kind of immersive theater in some countries, where then the audience can become part of the story, and in fact this is another growing trend. As we have some of course benefits when we are using AR VR, yet as immersive technologies grow, we also have some challenges and some ethical concerns. We have issues like privacy, data security, psychological impact, and accessibility issues that must be carefully considered to ensure that these technologies are used responsibly, whether it is by children or youngsters, teens, but also some adults, because some people tend to become addicted with these technologies. Concerning then about the future prospect of immersive storytelling, we can say that it is bright. with advances in technologies, for example, AI, and we have also machine learning, which is trending now. So as these technologies evolve, their applications will continue to expand across industries, that's for sure, and it will be creating new opportunities. But then, as it will create new opportunities, it will create also new challenges. So, as conclusion, we had an overview of the immersive storytelling and the transformative power in different fields. For example, we have seen in education, in training, in marketing, healthcare, and the social impact also. We have seen in journalism, art, and entertainment, but then also considering all these fields, all the factors, all this transformative power, yet we do have some challenges and ethical considerations. So, indeed, when we are using any kind of technologies, we should be using them responsibly. And then we have also seen some kind of future prospect where we have some new technologies as AI and machine learning. Yes, we have some kind of new opportunities, but then there will be some kind of challenges also. So here are my references, and thank you very much for your attention.